guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, White Tara, and today we are heading to Masnugatila, and I let my friends wear my traditional dress. Isn't she looking cute? So she's in black and I'm in white. So today है 10th of December, means आज हमारे गुरु दलाई लामा जी को नोबेल पीस प्राइज डे मिला है. उसके खुशी में हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. सो सेलिब्रेशन होगा एमटी की स्कूल में, सो मशनुगटिला का स्कूल में. सो आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग यू गाइस देयर. स्टे ट्यून्ड.
हाका जाएंगे, बुमला से हाका जाएंगे.
打只做牙，有时候也给的那个都开始，如看音吧，拿了牙，那说的开始。
Hi guys, so अभी performance खत्म हो चुका है and we are waiting for in the queue. हम लोग खाना खाने वाले हैं क्योंकि queue बहुत लंबा है, so like I thought of like making some funny random videos. So here I am. How's the filter?
민익이 뒤쪽으로 베린다.
Painting Domala, you Boston. Painting Domala.
तो guys, मैं अभी अपना टिकट बेच रही हूँ एंड हम लोग गेम खेल चुके हैं एंड we are going to our friend's room. She is helping me sell it. Now we are packing, laughing from here. Usually though.
Recognize the ones that's for everybody trace. I'm trying to be the one for you.
पहुंच गई वापस, मैं सफर जाऊँ गाइस. अभी हम लोग जूता देख रहे हैं फ्रेंड्स के लिए.
The black one.
These are boots. I like the white one. Where are you going? Where do you think you're going? So we're gonna buy Singzu.
When are you coming?
It's Manipuri. Manipuri what? It's Manipuri what?
I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Huh?
Singzu is salad.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, it's a kind of salad. Guys, अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे सिंगजू खरीदने आए हैं. Singzu means Manipuri salad, spicy salad. I had it before like 2-3 times because my friend used to like bring me. So we're gonna have it again. I like it because it's spicy, you know. So guys, we are gonna mix up the Singzu. I have my gloves on. Something like this, right? And we have some orange juice and this channa.